What can make something so determined to survive even in the toughest places? While hiking along the Bartram Trail in the Blue Ridge Mountains, I stumbled across something incredible. A tree grew atop a massive rock, its roots wrapping around it as if hugging it for dear life. The roots embodied survival's spirit, and Scaly Mountain provided the perfect backdrop for this story to unfold. Honestly, I almost walked right past it. I was lost in thought, camera bouncing at my side, and I noticed something out of the corner of my eye. At first, it didn't seem like much, a few roots crawling along a boulder. But as I stepped closer, I realized this was something special. The roots weren't just growing. They were sprawling, twisting, and gripping the rock like they owned it. Above them, two thin birch trees stretched toward the sky, defying all odds. I crouched down to take a closer look, and that's when it really hit me. How in the world does a tree thrive on solid rock? There's no soil, no easy access to water, yet here it was, growing, thriving, surviving. I knew I had to photograph it. I set up my camera, finding an angle that made the roots feel alive, as if telling their own story. The light streaming through the leaves above gave the whole scene this quiet, powerful energy. As I snapped the photo, I couldn't help but think about how much this tree reminded me of people. How often do we find ourselves stuck in tough situations, trying to figure out how to grow? And yet, we do. We adapt, we hold on, and we make it work. This tree was proof that even when the odds are stacked against you, there's always a way forward. The moment felt so raw and real. It wasn't about chasing the perfect shot. It was actually about being in the moment and really seeing what was in front of me. These roots clinging to Scaly Mountain on the Bartram Trail were a perfect reminder that nature can thrive unexpectedly. This image now lives as a stunning piece of wall art, available on aluminum, acrylic, metal, or canvas. Every time I look at it, I'm reminded of the resilience it represents. Whether in a home or office, it's more than a photograph, it's a story of strength, survival, and persistence. Would you have stopped to notice it?